Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be opening up a LANCES Charizard V Celebrations collection box. So let's get right into it. If you would like a chance to win all of these cards that you see here, make sure that you're subscribed with the notifications turned on and leave a like on this video. At 100 subscribers, we will be doing a giveaway video with all of these cards as the prize. Thanks for watching. Okay, so now that we have the box open, here are the contents. It comes with 4 Celebrations packs. We also have the code card for anyone that wants it. Comes with the promo LANCES Charizard card. And I think this is a really cool card. I always I liked the Elite Four. I always thought they were a good end game challenge. So yeah. And here's just the jumbo card of the same Charizard. Once again, I have no idea what I'm going to be doing with those cards, the giant sized ones. We also got a Sword and Shield Darkness Ablaze and a Sword and Shield Battle Styles pack. I don't think I'm going to be opening those up today. I think I'm going to save them for later. Right now, I would just like to open up these 4 packs. So let's see what we get. If you didn't know, I opened up a Pokemon Center Elite Trainer box for the Celebration set. I must have pulled 5 or 6 Pikachus out of that one box. And I'm still missing 2 Pikachus. So, still have to try to get those. I already did get that card, so that card's a duplicate, unfortunately. I also need a lot of the classic Celebration cards in the set, which I guess technically those are considered ultra rare cards, because they just are not. Here's the Surfing Pikachu, and I already have him. But the classic cards, they just are not very. They're just not very easy to get. So I guess like I said, I guess the classic cards are being considered the ultra rares, since there's not, like rainbow rares or anything like that in the set. Unfortunately, I don't think this box is gonna be very supportive. This is the last pack. And there you go. We end it with a Pikachu. I guess you can call it a full art trainer gallery style card. And then there's the code card. I think you know what? I will open up these 2 packs. I changed my mind. I don't know the card trick, so I'm just gonna go through it real quick. We got a reverse holo Gothitelle and a non-holographic Delcatty, and then everything else in here should just be nothing of great importance. Now we're on to the Battle Styles pack. Darkness Ablaze and Battle Styles. I wasn't really collecting Pokemon cards back then, so I don't really have any interest in completing these sets, as they are probably not being printed anymore. We have a reverse hollow Aegislash. That is a rare. Then we have a non-holographic Vivillon. And then that is that pack. So unfortunately, we didn't get anything crazy out of today's video. I was really hoping to pull a classic card out of the Generations packs, but not today. Maybe in the next video. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe if you would like, and if you don't want to miss a video, make sure you hit the notification bell. But thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.